Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for those na new pa sa akong YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and of course hit the notification bell for you to be updated to my future posts. For tonight's vlog, I am going to show you another Shopee Boodle, and this time it will be very tasty. So while I'm going to taste those, I will have another company. So yes. So he's very away right now, so he's going to accompany me as I am going to taste the different foods later. So introduce yourself. Yeah.
And I'm here in the United States. Hello, Philippines.
We're going to have another shopping boodle. So, yun na ito na ang padugayon. So let's go. So I already sanitized it earlier, so we are now going to open it. So first one is apple strawberry fruit punch. Apple strawberry, then raspberry peach. Okay, and then next you got sphere. Okay. Next, okay. Then bongo bean, green chips, sriracha, salted egg. Mixed coffee, collagen.
Yummy.
Okay. And then calamansi juice. Let's open this calamansi juice. Oh, look, it's actually 1 liter. Wow, 1 liter calamansi juice and 6 vegetables. Mix veggie crisp, sea salt, and then Founding Farmers garlic, and then float crisp, and we got a free. Wow, thank you. So this one is free snack pack. Enjoy and stay healthy. Wow, thank you so much. Wala na. So earlier, we opened the snacks. So we are going to try what kind of taste do they like. So let's try like this. Yogurt spheres, peach, strawberry, and blueberry. I think this is peach. Milky and sour. I think this is blueberry or strawberry. Strawberry. And obviously the violet is blueberry. Sour, but good. Okay, so let's keep it. Next is this raspberry and peach. So I already tasted peach. I'm going to try the raspberry. Ano ni raspberry? Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part. Next. So this one I'll taste the apple because I've already tasted the strawberry. Oh, this is a different. Wow, this is strawberry. This looks like strawberry. Whoa. Strawberry. A slum. And this one is apple. Kaya man siya apple eh. And then, punta tayo sa machicheria. Okay, so we have here Founding Farmers Veggie Crisps Sea Salt 100% real. Oh my god. Hindi ako kumakain ng gulay. Kaya as Batman. My God. unang munot, okra agad. Unang munot, okra. Don't eat okra. Uy, may sleeves. Next. This one is kalabasa. Ang okra kay nidalong. Nidalong. Let's try the kalabasa. Ako na-inform, pinakbit na din eh. Dapat nga na pinakbit. Chips. Ang kalabasa, this does not taste weird. Next. I think this one is kamote or ube. Next. This one next. Carrots. Oh, this is, I think it's string beans. I think so. Parang wala lang. This is sweet potato. Good. We're done with this. This is gummy jelly, mangosteen frappe, and then it's collagen. Wow. Yummy. Collagen. It's actually like gummy bear. This one is the green bean chips. It's sriracha, salted egg. No benefits. Mole bean sourced from local farmers. Delivered to our kitchen, baked, not fried, with no flour added. Oh, that's good for me. I like it. I like this one is another veggie crisp. It's like this. It's like this one, but this one is the flavor is sea salt. This one is garlic. Unang kuha okra. Then again. Start. Mild lang. Okay lang. Next. It's Crable Crisp Tropic Fruits. Banana, coconut fresh, jackfruit, pineapple, mango. Rather, banana. Okay, I'm not going to finish it. Let's try this free snack. It's chippy cake, mushroom. Mushroom. I like it. And the last one is this. This is actually calamansi juice, and it has additional 6 vegetables like organic malunggay, jute leaves, pepper, spinach, sweet potato tops, pandan, honey, citric acid. Wow, it's open. Good. Ha 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 ha.
That's it.
So, I will not end the video if I'm not going to let them taste. Let's go. This is sweet potato. Potato of purple.
Dini lagi ko. Bye.
Ano yan?
Meh. Nung mapas na.
Na, na.
Sarap. Sarap. Kami man.
Lubog. Asa ba itong Diyos, Den? Asa ba? Tama, nandito.
Nakakilo ito.
Ana! Nasigaan na, ugatong pula dyan. Strawberry. Pakita sila mga strawberry.
yung piyo? Isa kayo daw ba na?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Balat din. Tinod na, duha man naka-flavor apple. Sa
Apple.
peach of raspberry. Raspberry. Ano na? Sabi ko na kuha na blueberry, peach, strawberry. Juice, nakalamansi juice na 96 vegetable, kalamansi, organic malunggay, jute leaves, pepper, spinach, with potato tops, pandan, honey.
Tambal din eh. Tingnan lang kayo tambal. Tanan ng glasses brutas.
So guys, hello! I've already let them taste the Shopee Boodle that I had. So that was a healthy Shopee Boodle. And yes, my mother likes it, but my sister don't. But anyways, I had a great time. I hope you also did a great time. And thank you so much for watching and finishing this video. Until next time, goodbye.